Introduction to materials. The toilet building process also involves the use of a variety of materials. The quality of the materials used in construction is very essential to build strong and cost effective structures. At the end of this session, you will be able to identify the materials required in building the toilet. Now let's see the various materials required. First, let's see the various materials required in masonry work. Chalk. Chalk will help to make measurements for the toilet. Chalk powder. Chalk powder will help us to mark the site. Stakes. Stakes are used to reproduce the central lines if the lines are disturbed. Thread. Thread will help us to join stakes and reproduce markings on the ground. It is also used to mark the area for laying blocks for building the wall. 4-inch and 6-inch hollow blocks. The 4-inch hollow blocks are used for building the walls, while the 6-inch hollow blocks are used for constructing the basement. Cement mortar. Cement mortar is a building compound used for adhering bricks or concrete blocks to one another, plastering, and other forms of masonry. Sand. Sand is one of the materials used in the preparation of cement mortar. Water. Water is used in the preparation of cement mortar. Tile pieces. Tile pieces are used as a reference for the thickness of plastering. Concrete rings. Concrete rings are used for the construction of the leach pit. Rope. The rope will help us to lower the concrete rings that form the leach pit into the ground. Cover blocks. Cover blocks are used to provide space between the concrete rings so that water can percolate to the ground. Plain cement concrete or PCC. PCC is used for flooring the bathing and toilet area and as a base for the pit. Concrete lid. Concrete lid. A concrete lid is used to ensure that all waste, which includes fecal matter and urine, remains covered. Concrete bricks. Concrete bricks are used for installing the roof of the toilet. Non-asbestos corrugated cement sheet. The non-asbestos corrugated cement sheet will serve as the roof for the toilet. Scaffolding. Scaffolding is a temporary structure on the outside of a building made of wooden planks to provide a height while building the walls and erecting the roof. White cement. White cement will be used for whitewashing the walls of the toilet building. Next, let's see the materials required in plumbing work. Indian water closet pan. The Indian water closet is the receptacle of the fecal matter. PVC pipe. The PVC pipe is used for installation of the drainage system. P-trap. P-trap connects the toilet pan and PVC pipe, which extends into the wall and comes out on the opposite end to ensure that the waste is removed safely. Vent cowl. The vent cowl serves as an outlet for the bad smell coming from the toilet. Nylon net. The nylon net is used to cover the vent cowl. Solvent cement. Solvent cement is an adhesive used for joining PVC pipes. Door elbow. A door elbow is a type of plumbing fitting intended to join a piece of pipe and another fitting at an angle. This usually comes with a lid for the removal of clog. Plain elbow. A plain elbow is also a type of plumbing fitting used to change the direction of the water supply tubing. We will now see the materials required for carpentry work. Door frame. It is a frame that provides support to the door. Hinges. Hinge is a connector which is usually made of steel, which connects the door and the frame. It limits the angle of rotation of the door. Screws. We will need screws of various sizes for fixing the door and the handles for the door. Roll plug. It is a fiber or plastic pin used to enable the attachment of a screw in the wall. All-drop bolt. The all-drop bolt is a bar made of metal that slides into a socket used to fasten the door. Handle. The door has a handle that will help us to open or close the door. Tower bolt. A tower bolt is a heavy sliding door bolt. Soap dish. The soap dish will be fixed in the bathing area of the toilet. With that, we've come to the end of this session. In this session, we learnt to identify the materials required in building the toilet.